morning everyone. I will be presenting the introduction of Agaricus bisporus, which is commonly known as the white mountain mushroom. Agaricus bisporus is a multicellular fungus that belongs to the kingdom fungi. It is one of the most widely cultivated and consumed edible mushrooms worldwide due to its availability, nutritional value, and versatility in food preparation. In nature, Agaricus bisporus acts as a decomposer, meaning it breaks down that organic matter and helps recycle nutrients back into the environment. Because of its ecological importance and economic value, this mushroom has become one of the most significant fungi studied and cultivated around the world.
Now, I will explain the taxonomy of Agaricus bisporus, also known as the white button mushroom. It belongs to the domain Eukaryota and kingdom fungi because it has cells with nuclei and absorbs nutrients from organic matter. It is classified under the phylum Basidiomycota, class Agaricomycetes, order Agaricus, and family Agaricaceae. Its genus is Agaricus and its species Bisporus. This scientific classification helps researchers accurately identify and study this mushroom species.
Next, the morphological structure of Agaricus bisporus. Looking at its anatomy, Agaricus bisporus has 5 main parts. The cap, ileus, the umbilical top. It's dome-shaped and flattened with age, ranging from white to tan in color. The ring underneath a small collar on the stem. It's the leftover remnant of oval that protected your gills. The gills, lamella, the thin ribs underneath. They don't touch the stem and shift color from pale pink to chocolate brown to dark black as spore mature. The stem or stud, the solid fleshy stalk supporting the cap. The mycelium, the root-like white threads at the base that anchor the fungus and absorb food. Now, how does this mushroom survive? Agaricus bisporus is a saprotrophic heterotroph. Because it lacks chlorophyll, it cannot make its own food through photosynthesis like plants do. Instead, it relies on external digestion. It secretes powerful enzymes directly into that organic matter to break down complex materials like cellulose and lignin. Once those materials are broken down into simple nutrients, the underground mycelial threads absorb them. Because of this, it thrives beautifully on compost-rich substrates.
For the habitats, you can commonly find Agaricus bisporus in grasslands, gardens, and fields. It grows best in moist, nutrient-rich soils, and it prefers cool to moderate temperatures. Its important role is decomposing organic materials and recycling nutrients back into the environment. Now, for reproduction. First is sexual reproduction. This happens by producing basidiospores and structures called basidia, which are located on the gills of the mushroom. These spores are released, dispersed by the wind, and grow to form new mycelia. Next is asexual reproduction. This is rare, but when it happens, it occurs through the fragmentation of fungal clefting. This allows the fungus to spread without genetic recombination. Finally, there is vegetative reproduction. This occurs through the fragmentation of the mycelium. Pieces of the mycelium can grow into new individuals when they reach a suitable environment. This method is commonly used in mushroom cultivation to propagate the fungus.
Now, I will explain the significance of Agaricus bisporus. Firstly, in terms of ecological importance, Agaricus bisporus acts as a decomposer of organic matter. It breaks down dead plant materials and organic waste, helping to recycle nutrients back into the ecosystem. This process also contributes to soil fertility and support nutrient availability in the environment. Secondly, Agaricus bisporus has nutritional importance. It is rich in nutrients such as protein, dietary fiber, B-complex vitamins, and essential minerals. In addition, it is low in fat and calories, making it a healthy food choice that supports a balanced diet and human nutrition. Lastly, Agaricus bisporus has significant economic importance. It is one of the most widely cultivated edible mushrooms worldwide. Its cultivation supports the mushroom farming industry and generates income and employment opportunities, contributing to the agricultural economy. Therefore, Agaricus bisporus is important ecologically, nutritionally, and economically.
Unlike traditional mint that merely masks odor, this extract targets the root cause of bad breath and body odor by directly addressing microbiome metabolism in the mouth and gut, utilizing a key jagum as an additional ingredient. Beyond this specialized health application, commercialized cultivation supply a broad consumer market through four primary forms: fresh, white button, canned, dry, and powder, all generated through a strict multi-stage cultivation pipeline. This agricultural process moves sequentially from composting, substrate formulation, and phase 2 pasteurization through spawning, casing, environmental findings management, and final harvesting, washing, and packaging for distribution.
Agaricus bisporus is the species we review. Agaricus bisporus, growing strong and bright, breaking down organic matter day and night. Button granite, portobello too, providing food and benefits for me and you. Agaricus bisporus, helping ecosystems thrive, recycling nutrients to keep the balance alive. One of the most cultivated mushrooms in the world, the remarkable fungus which is